In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Bixby voice app on Samsung Galaxy phone. The Bixby voice app on Samsung Galaxy phone is similar to your iPhone Siri or the Google Assistant application you use on general Android phone. So if at the end of this video, you're able to disable or turn off Bixby voice app on your Samsung Galaxy phone, do not forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. One of the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on apps. Under application, then scroll down and click on Bixby. You can just use this search button to search for Bixby like this. Then you should see the Bixby voice and Bixby fashion. Then click on Bixby voice. So once you click on Bixby voice, this is what you're going to see. Now to disable this application, all you need to do is this. Click on disable. Then you should see a pop-up that says disabling this app may cause other app to stop working correctly. Then go ahead and tap disable. Once you tap the disable application, the Bixby application will be disabled. You see this? Then it is now disabled. The Bixby application will no longer work on your Samsung Galaxy device. So this is how to easily disable or turn off Bixby application on Samsung Galaxy phone. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.